Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover solving for interest rate using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. When solving for interest rate, cost net, term, and a solution pattern are mandatory. The solution pattern may consist of any positive number, including 0. Therefore, structured patterns are acceptable no matter how complex. Now simply click on the Solve for Rate button. Note the interest rate. This concludes this video.